All right, so I reviewed one a few weeks ago and we put that one into a different car. Now I'm going to review this one. I usually review in this car, you guys, because this is the car I'm mainly in anyway. This one is a little different because you have a long wire, 120 watts fast charge. They give you a compass. Don't know if you really need a compass or not. Maybe you're camping or something. They give you fuses just in case you blow a fuse. All right, you guys, so here goes the fuse right here. So if you overload this thing, blow a fuse, here you go. You take your fuse out and then put a new one in. USB type C, USB, USB, USB. I'm going to be honest, nowadays, you might as well just put more USB type C because not too many people using the older style USBs anymore. You have the power on for your 3 outlets right here. All right, so they give you Velcro, you guys. I actually like Velcro better than double-sided tape. To me, Velcro is more stronger. Here are the key things that you need to note about this, okay? So when you're using this, they say 120 watts, but it's split, okay? So when you're using these ports right here give you a max of 80 watts. When you use your USB ports right here, it says 18 watts. And then it says PD port is 12 watts. This can do like little small refrigerators, your vacuum. If you have a vacuum, they're saying that you can do your laptop with the 18 watt. I don't know how fast it will charge your laptop. Again, if you overcharge this, you have a voltage reading. The car is off now, but the thing with the Dodge Avenger, just in case you don't know, this outlet right here, you need the car on. And then when you go in here, I always charge up my portable block, use this and keep this in here so I can have it always on. When you hook this up, this is the display of your battery. Every time you hook something up, it just lets you know like how much that it drains. I'm gonna start the car real quick. All right, we start the car and you see that our battery is actually good. But that will be it, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.